Okay, first name and where you work.
Mohammed, and I work at Bedford Collagen Center down at Bedford.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So, Mohammed, what has this paint prep, color matching boot camp added to your skill set?
Actually, it added something that I really lack or I needed the most is understanding the color theory and how to approach a color that you don't have a match on it. So that made me like have more grasp and more of understanding on what to do if I have this kind of color, this kind of mismatch, what to do, what to add, what to look for. That's one of the greatest thing that I got in this experience. Plus, in addition to that, it added some techniques that I didn't know of and blending, and some new techniques for me in masking, which is would be make it, let's say, faster once you do the masking on a car.
Yeah.
Although I consider myself a good masker, never had any overspray before, but the masking time, it's always been a concern. So for anyone who do masking, it's one of the grueling tasks. So the instructions that Jim gave me with his advice, make it like taking much less time to do that job.
More efficient.
Exactly. Plus, as I told you, the blending technique that I was lacking that kind of experience. He gave it to me. Have feeling more confident on doing blends now.
That's great. So, Mohammed, in a week's worth of training, are you able to already apply what you've learned to help make your shop more productive? The other painters.
Sure thing. Yep. And let's say for the color wheel, if somebody asked me a question about it before I did, okay, I can pick the paint code, the paint number, and that's it. But if I want to make it lighter, darker, finer, dirtier, cleaner, I don't know what to do. Now I can tell him, you have to go this side, go pick that color. You want it brighter, you want it darker, you have to go to the inside of the color wheel, and so on and so forth.
So what does this do for your outlook on Bedford Collision, your current employer? How does this help you look at your career with that company and in the industry?
Hopefully it will make me produce more work, more accurately, with less mistakes.
Very good.
That's what we are looking for. Everybody who wants to do this job in the shortest amount of time with no mistakes, so we don't have to do it all over again. So hopefully that will make me do that more efficiently.
Anything you want to say to your employer for giving you this opportunity?
I would like to thank him so much for this opportunity, and it's a much needed training that I was needing, and I got. And thanks for his efforts and
Awesome.
your efforts, of course, and Jim's.
Thanks, Mohammed. Appreciate
You're
it. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.